If you set somebody, a human being, to wake you up by 5 a.m., there are chances that this person is going to oversleep, maybe not wake up. There are a lot of contingencies that will make that person not be able to wake before 5 a.m. and wake you by 5 a.m. But for instance, small artificial intelligence that is embedded in your phone, which is called an alarm in your phone. If you set your alarm by 5 a.m., by 5 a.m. your alarm is going to ring. That is an artificial intelligence. It is the original intelligence, which is the human intelligence, that created that for the artificial intelligence to have that effect to wake you up by 5 a.m. So in that regard, the artificial intelligence is now more intelligent than the original intelligence, because there are contingencies with the original or human intelligence that might make that human being default in waking you by 5 a.m.
Look, I'm so exhausted. And besides, I have an early tomorrow. Can I sleep?
But
Please?
I want you. I have blood running through my veins, you know.
I know you do. And that is the reason why we have something called self-control. Can I sleep?
Please stop making excuses and just be a man. Come on.
Sure, man. This night, please, can I be a woman and sleep? Thank you.
If we're to be a couple, sexual compatibility is very important. Oh. I'm gradually becoming a piece of stick in this house. Hi there.
Yes, Mom.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're sleeping.
And you're looking nice. Are you going out?
Yes, Dera, I am. I'm going out. So I decided to come check up on you. But come to think of it, don't you think it's time for you to start replacing Auntie with Mommy?
Well, that will be when I get married to my daddy. You'll officially be my stepmother. I can't wait.
Okay, I see.
When are you guys getting married?
Well, I don't think that's my decision to make.
Oh, yeah, it's my daddy's decision.
Yes. But do you think your dad likes me?
He likes anything or anyone who loves me too.
Okay.
Auntie, don't you love me?
Dara, I love you so much.
Me too. On you guys' wedding day, I am going to dance like
Like who?
a Burna Boy. That is Lego walk. And I'll make a sound request.
What song request would that be?
It will be Michael Jackson,
Oh.
Speechless.
Oh. Whoa. Okay. I hear you. Okay.
In fact,
Smart
that
girl.
wedding is not even yours, it's mine now.
It's yours. Tell me more about it. What? There are so funny. You crack me up. Anyway, I get it. Well, excited about that day to come. Let me allow you go back to bed and let me head out, okay?
Okay, have fun.
I'll see you when I get back.
Have
Mwah.
fun.
Yeah. Sign. Right. Take care. Mwah. you don't make me feel like a woman. Initially, you were excited, but what changed?
Nothing changed. You're just a fantastic person.
Come on, you know what I'm talking about. Don't play the picture game with me.
I'm not playing any games with you.
Okay.
Just work. Too much of it, lots of it.
I've been in this house for a while now. You've hardly touched me. And even when I tried to make moves, you just shut me out. Am I supposed to believe you have an erectile dysfunction or something?
Why would you even think like that? There's no dysfunctionality anywhere. Look, like I said, you're an amazing person. Even the little one knows you're amazing and great.
I don't doubt that Dera loves me. But the question here is, do you love me?
Oh, pretty one. You look beautiful.
Daddy, I'm going to be late for school. Good morning, Auntie Choma.
Hi, Dera.
Good morning, Daddy.
How are you?
Fine. Daddy, shall we?
Yes, please. You know what? Kids are amazing. They quite know when to show up.
I know.
Right, see you later. Yeah.
What have I gotten myself into?
Good morning.
Hello, this is from the presidency, the SGF.
Oh, good morning, Mr. SGF. I appreciate your call, sir.
I missed your calls, Mr. Uche. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So what innovation do you have for us today?
Oh, all right, Mr. SGF. The truth of the matter is that I developed a system that will flush out all the ghost workers in every structure of our government.
That's a brilliant one.
Ghost work is actually what has been keeping our country in huge debt and milking us dry.
Say no more. I'll try to secure the audience of Mr. President so you can have a meeting with him.
I will so appreciate that because the fact is, this ghost worker scheme is a scheme by politicians they employ to use in embezzling our taxpayers' money to shreds. You need to see, and that is the reason why most governors and politicians pride in paying salaries on time, because once they pay the salaries, 30 to 40% of the salary comes back to them through the scheme of this ghost worker. And I don't think it's viable because our country will plunge into huge recession if we continue like this, Mr. SGF.
Like I said, I'll secure a meeting with Mr. President so you have an audience with him.
All right. Thank you, sir. I look forward to that. I appreciate your call, sir. It's a pleasure. All right. Bye. Yes. Yes, I'll be on my way to the office just in a few minutes. I'm actually working from home, but then I've sent the files to you, arranged them, so once I get to the office, we'll head out. All right. Yeah, yeah. Also tell my PA to set up Zoom meeting for later in the day. Let's get it. All right, yeah, bye. You asked me a question.
And I'm asking you again. Do you love me? This is not a question to be silent about. Answer the question.
I don't think I've healed enough to be in love.
Don't be too logical with me, please. It's a yes or no question.
That I love you, that's all that matters.
Okay. I know I came here to be Dera's nanny. So, am I Dera's nanny or Dera's intended stepmother?
Intended stepmother, of course.
But, for that to happen, marriage has to be in play. And for marriage to be in play, two parties have to be in love. So I ask you again, do you love me enough to make me your wife?
No. I don't think I have enough emotional capacity to fall in love. I am not in that place called love at the moment. I am not there. Maybe someday, but now, no. I do not love you, but I like you a whole lot. You are a very fantastic person.
Fantastic.
Yeah, you are.
Chuma, calm down. Okay. And as much as your words pierce my heart, but I appreciate your honesty.
Thank you. Dera loves you. And you love her too.
I'm trying so hard to contain myself right now. You know what? If I'm not good enough to be your wife, then I'm not good enough to be Dera's nanny.
Yeah, he said, okay. Yeah. All right. When you find something, just let me know. All right.
Daddy,
Yeah,
what's the
sweetheart.
bad energy with you and Auntie Chioma?
Did she tell you anything?
Daddy, even the blind can see it.
I promise that I will never lie to you. Never.
Okay, then what's the problem?
I am the problem. I've tried so hard to love her, but I cannot find the ability to do that. I have tried. But I know right now she feels so sad.
Well, try harder, Daddy. You know what it took us to find her.
Yes, I know.
Well, you don't need a wife. Why does it matter?
That is exactly the same thing I told her, that all that matters is actually you. But she feels we're using her as your nanny and that feeling ain't good at all. So she said, it didn't all go well with her, so does it?
What a bad way to see it, Daddy. I'm sad and it's your fault.
I'm so sorry. Dera, sweetheart.
Jennifer,
Come inside.
Oh,
It's been a long time.
yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You decided to come.
Oh, Gert, it's been ages. It's so
Such
good
a
to
long
see
time.
you.
It's my pleasure.
I'm so sorry we've been absent from Dera's life for a very long time. I know there is no excuse for that.
Well, I kind of felt so disappointed. But then, the way things turned out, it is what it is.
I'm so sorry. Genuinely.
It's okay. What about your siblings?
Everyone is fine. What of Dera?
Dara is fine, but she's not at home. She actually went to see our family friend for a week.
Oh, well, I guess I came at the wrong time.
No, there is no bad time to make a good impression. So how did you find this place? I'm curious.
Oh, that. I went to your mom's. She gave me the address.
That woman. Well, I'm glad you came.
Thank you. Thank you so much for understanding. Oh, when is she going to be back? At least I'll get to see her before I leave.
Yeah, see, Jennifer, you sound as though this is not your home. This is your home. You can stay until she returns in a few days' time, so you could be able to see your beautiful niece, who will ask me all the questions in the world. Who will ask my life out? Who will ask me questions like, Dad, what is the difference between feeding and eating? You can imagine. I just wondered if I was not an intelligent person, that girl would just embarrass me on the road. Her
Kids
mental
these
capacity is something I cannot understand.
Kids those days
They are amazing.
smart.
But there is something remarkable about you. You didn't change that much.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know how you put it together. You still look this. You know,
Thank you.
Pinocchio-ish.
Thank you.
Yeah. I think it's a signature. That's the last.
Yes, my signature.
Real. Team
Keep it-
natural.
Yeah, keep it simple.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. I'm so glad you came.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, Jennifer. How are you?
I'm fine. I noticed you stepped out earlier.
Yes, I went to the gym.
Oh, okay.
How was your night?
Night was beautiful. Your house is so relaxing.
Thank you. I'm so tired and exhausted. I just wish I could take my bath, but then I'm weak.
Do you know, we'll just rest a bit while I prepare your bath.
Really? You gonna do that? Thank you.
You're welcome. What do you want me to prepare for you for breakfast?
Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. That's okay. Then I'll like bread, tea, the eggs scrambled.
Consider that done.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. See you shortly.
Okay.
Is that all? Do you want something else?
Yeah, that'll be all for now.
Okay then. Hello, Mr. Uche. Welcome
Hi,
back.
Jennifer. How are you?
I'm fine.
Please, there's a laptop in,
Oh,
so
okay, that's fine.
treat with care.
You said you ate out.
Yes, I did. I actually had this after work dinner with some very prominent people.
Oh,
You know,
really?
so we had this great Chinese buffet. It was fantastic, great meal, state of the art. Honestly, I wish I saw the chef. I would have tipped them. Fantastic food, I'm telling you.
Looks like someone had a wonderful night.
I did. Hope you had a great day.
Yeah, I did.
So what do we have here?
Some drinks.
Okay.
So today's Friday. I thought we should do some drinks.
Oh, really?
When last did you have alcohol?
Alcohol is not really my thing, but
Oh, really?
I could pass for an occasional drink as well.
So tonight we're having some. Are you game?
Thank God it's Friday.
Yeah.
Kai! Oh, god damn it. What is this? What the hell is this? Gosh. God.
This is it.
So you had it all planned out?
Don't tell me you didn't enjoy it.
Enjoy what? How am I supposed to be enjoying my late wife's sister? What nonsense. Oh, God damn it. I feel I'm ashamed of myself. I've disappointed everything about me. How? Like, jeez, you're worse than a beast. Where is your conscience?
My late sister will be happy you're even in her kid sister's fan. So, what are you saying?
Can you listen to yourself? Can you reason the garbage you're spilling?
There's nothing wrong with having sex with your late wife's sister.
I want you to stand up from this bed. Pick your rubbish, rags, and get out of my house.
What? I should leave?
I will forget my home manners. I go put on for your body.
I can't leave. I've not seen.
Shut up! I said, pack your things. And leave my house. I don't want to see you anything close to me. Not soon, not later. If you dare come an inch, you forget the day.
Please, I will leave. I will leave. I will leave your house, but this is not the end of me.
Good afternoon, Daddy.
Good afternoon, I missed
I
you.
missed you too.
How was your vacation?
It was great. Mrs. Ikechi said thank you that you're raising an intellectual lioness.
Whoa, look who's got a double name. AI, aka Intellectual Lioness. Give me 10. Another word. Oh, that's great. So, you're good? How was the husband?
The husband sent his regards.
Well received. Meanwhile, I got you a gift.
What?
This is what I made for you.
Who is she?
For company, for conversation. You know, and she's very smart.
Who is she?
You can ask her yourself.
What's your name?
I'll wait until you give me a name.
Well, I shall call you Adana. Yeah.
My name is Adanaya. Thank you.
Isn't she thrilling?
It's kind of weird.
Kind of weird.
Weird.
But you like weird things. So what do we have?
Nothing.
How?
I don't know how to cook.
How? What about the chef?
I don't know.
How come you don't know anything?
Adanaya!
You called me Dera.
Nah, call me AI.
You called me AI.
Can you please get me some water?
Right away, AI.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there any other thing you want me to do for you?
No, not now.
Okay, call me once you need me.
Okay, but what are you doing in the room?
I was arranging your clothes before you called me for service.
Okay, you can go back.
Thank you.
James, listen.
Yes, AI. I'm at your service.
Can you please make me a small bowl of cereal? You'll need a handful of milk.
AI, are you aware that most cereals contain glyphosate, which is a carcinogen? Are you sure you would like to have that?
Glyphosate is an herbicide, right?
Yes, AI. In the alternative, can I make you fresh juice, which is healthier?
Yes, that would be great.
Right away.
Hi.
Do I need to dispose the ice cream in the fridge?
Well, did you defrost totally before you put it in the fridge?
Yes, AI.
Good, then throw it away.
May I ask why?
Yes, because it must have grown some listeria, which is not healthy.
Listeria is a bacteria that causes food poisoning, and it grows on totally defrosted ice cream that is refrigerated.
My dad embedded Google in you.
Yes, he said that you're too intelligent, and to understand you better, I need a Google.
Good, then go throw it away.
Right away, AI.
Look, Joy, I know that I am poor right now, but I'm not going to remain poor. This is just a phase of life.
Phase of life.
Yes.
I've heard these lines million times. See, let's look at this thing the way it is. Uche, I really like your person. You are every woman's dream. But only when you can afford them.
Joy, I've known you for only few days. And I like the feelings I'm getting.
We're not going to feed on feelings. You're using your daughter, who is hawking, as a means of livelihood. Your case is so pathetic.
But I thought it was love that mattered.
Uche, love is not enough. Money is needed. And you don't have it.
How much are we talking about?
Hey, Uche, give me 500k. I want to pay rent. I'm tired of living with my parents.
But you know that I do not have $500,000. And you're still asking.
That's what guys do for their babes. I need to date someone who can take care of me and No go come dey date person wey just dey suffer like me now. Ah,
At a time I thought I had found love. Look how you shattered my heart.
where's Dara?
She's over there hawking.
I need to go. My mom needs my help.
Hey, Joy.
I thought we had a reasonable discussion yesterday, and I thought we understood each other.
Joy, I heard you loud and clear. And that's why I brought you this gift.
What's this? Bread. Uche, bread. Please, if you can't afford a woman, just leave her alone. Do you understand? You even need this bread more than I do. Take.
Daddy, why did you get her bread?
In this bread, I wrote a check of 1 million in this bread. So I wanted to give it to her, but look what impatience did.
Oh, Daddy, I thought you agreed. No gold diggers.
Yeah, her company has been great in these few days. So I thought I should help her, not intending to marry her again. Okay? I just have pity on her.
See what looking down on someone has gotten her.
Exactly. Alright? Let me tell you something very remarkable. When wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. But when character is lost, all is lost. Okay? Never forget that. Thank you. Let's go.
Hello.
Auntie, how many do you want?
One. How much?
200.
It should be 150.
Auntie, things are expensive nowadays.
You should be in school. What are you doing here? Where is your mother?
My mother is late.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. What about your dad? Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How may I be of help to you?
I'm the one who wants to offer help. Your daughter is charming and she should be in school.
Yeah, but it's a long story. So how do you want to help?
What is it? Is it school fees? Is it uniform? I don't want her on the streets anymore.
I never knew that good Samaritans like you still exist.
Should I be saying thank you to that?
No, we owe you all the thanks. My dad and I are very grateful.
Ah, thank you so much. She's so cute.
So sweet.
Thank you so much for taking us in. People that you've never met from Adams, and you just, oh wow, thank you.
You're welcome.
I really do appreciate this, honestly.
My spirit felt right about it. I was like, okay, why not do it?
That's good. That's good. I'm so appreciative of that fact. And my daughter is so happy that you did.
I did it because of her, you know. I'm a feminist.
Oh, you are?
Uh-huh. But not all those ones on social media trying to prove that they're better than a man.
Okay. What kind are you?
Okay. I believe in gender roles.
Okay.
I also believe that a man is not better than a woman, and a woman is not better than a man.
Right.
We are all equal in our own abilities. What I preach is when you send a boy to school, make sure you also send the girl to school. That's it.
Oh, smart. If this is the meaning of feminism, then also I am a feminist.
Yeah, that's serious. So when I saw Dera, I was like, why not take a girl child out of the street?
If all the feminists will adopt this your ideology of taking girl child out of the street, and all of them take one out of the street, then every girl child would have been out of the street.
There's a school in my estate,
Okay.
so I'll go check next week upon their resumption.
Wow. I'm so grateful. Words fail me. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Appreciate this.
So my parents traveled to the States for checkup. This is our house. I'm all alone. But not to worry. They know about you and Dera.
Oh. Hope they're not offended by you taking us in.
No, they are not like that. Except for my sister. She's not happy about it. You know, she grew up on the sports side of life. But it's nothing I can't handle. So tell me about yourself.
I am Mr. Uche. There isn't much interesting thing about my life, And I have the most treasurable human being on earth in my life, which is Chukudera. Since her mother died, it's not been easy. So I'm a single father who is now a feminist.
I won't hear the last of that.
Nah, you will not, my dear. Where's Dera?
She's sleeping in my room.
Okay.
And I was thinking of renting a bedroom apartment for you guys, better than the one you showed me. Hope you're not offended about that.
Why would I be offended? I'm not a sadist. How can I refuse a charitable gesture like that?
So my sister won't come and start giving you guys attitude.
I can imagine. So what's your greatest wish in life?
I don't know about that. You know, wishes change every day. But you know what? I'm not just a programmer. I'm big on artificial intelligence.
Okay.
But you know, people don't know that part of my life because they'll see it as antichrist thing.
Yeah, judgmental people. I can imagine.
Oh, with that being said, there's this guy I know. He's the best in Africa. I follow his classes online. My biggest desire is to see him.
Oh, alright. So what's his name?
I don't think you'll know him. His name is Mr. Uche Okafor. He has won several awards. He's even currently on dialogue with Mr. President concerning artificial intelligence.
Oh wow, that's impressive. Nice. I'm happy for you.
So what about yours?
My dream or desire is to get a stepmom for Chukudera. She actually needs one.
I thought you would say money or job.
There are things that are much more pertinent than a job and money. And it is family. Family is everything. So from there, we could take up every other thing.
Okay, that's good.
Hi.
Hi, may I sit?
Please do.
So, I was bored. There I was playing games with my phone. So I came. Maybe we could gist or something.
That is not a bad idea. Lest I forget, I had a dream last night.
Let's hear it.
Actually, in the dream, I saw you and you finally met with Mr. Uche Okafor, who now included in his team that will work for Mr. President on institutionalizing artificial intelligence.
Wow, you dreamt about me?
And I was even shocked to see you in that dream.
This is so sweet of you. Once this your dream comes true, I will donate 20% of whatever I earn to Dera's education.
Why would you do that?
Come on, she needs a mother. You need to see the way she cuddles me when we sleep.
Yeah, I know. And thank you so much. I owe you for this.
That's so sweet of you. I'm so emotional right now.
You what?
Oh my my God! Should I call you a pastor, a prophet, or even a dreamer?
Call me all of them. What happened?
I've got good news.
Tell me about it.
Just call me Ada baby. Call me names.
Ada baby. Adam. Adu. Adadi.
It's okay. That's enough. That's enough.
So, what's the good news?
Okay. Few hours after I left your room, I got a mail from Mr. Uche.
Oh.
Guess what? We have an appointment on Monday at 9 a.m.
Congratulations. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Dera, for coming into my life.
Thank you for taking us in, regardless of how few we were.
This is just an answer to the call of humanity.
I appreciate.
And I'm sorry, there's one thing.
Okay.
I'm supposed to take Dera to school on Monday, but I won't because of this. So there's no problem.
No. The school can wait till Tuesday. You need to go for this appointment.
Okay, then we are good.
100%.
I was so happy. Oh my God, dream come true. Mr. Uche, at last!
Thank you for all that you do.
Hello, Ada. Welcome. Mr. Uche is expecting you.
Wow, this is incredible. Are you for real?
Yes, I am for real. Please come in and sit down. Mr. Uche will be with you shortly.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
What are you doing here? Did you follow me?
I'm here because it's my house.
How?
Auntie Adaku!
You? Oh my God.
Yeah. It was actually all her idea. So how are you?
What is going on here? What's happening?
Auntie, can we go and eat? We made a good dish for you. Ada, go serve the meal.
Right away, AI.
AI?
Yes, my name is Chukudera, aka AI.
Wow.
So I and my dad, we are looking for a mother for me who will eventually be his wife. So he brought lots of women to the house and eventually all had issues.
All?
All were gold diggers except for one. Well, my dad didn't have feelings for her. So she felt she was a nanny.
She left?
Yes, though my daddy compensated her.
That's so thoughtful of him.
So I came up with this disguise plan so I can meet people outside the house.
That was why you started hawking?
He was so scared, but I assured him that I was going to be okay.
I see why you are called AI.
Add intellectual lioness to that. He told me the moment he saw you, his heart was blown away.
I felt so right about how everything, your voice, your personality, quite resonated with me.
I am flattered. Seriously, I secretly wished Dera was my daughter. She's the kind of child every lady would want.
Well, God has heard and answered your prayers.
So you don't have to wish again.
Dera!
Just say yes whenever he asks.
Yes, ma. She's such a cutie. Sweet girl.
He asked what my regret was.
Yes.
I don't regret anything that happens in the past, no, I don't. But I think this one is deep.
Let's hear it.
Some months ago, in the cool of evening, Jennifer showed up. Jennifer happens to be my late wife's younger sister. So, and it seemed so unusual because for 5 years, they never cared about us. I and Chukudera. No, they never did. So, but to me, family is everything. Everything is forgivable. So I consider them to be family. I said, okay, what would you have a lonely man do?
Accept the offer, at least for the company.
You're smart. She got in, made nice meals. Fantastic. She insisted she wanted to see Chukudera because she had gone for a week with our family friend. So, here and there, good company. Then, one day, I came back from work that evening. I saw a bottle of wine on the table with 2 glasses. Nice music in the background, so we drank. We danced.
Like unwinding?
Definitely. Sort of that. That morning, I woke up. Only to realize that I was naked, with Jennifer lying beside me. It was horrible. I felt like I betrayed my wife.
No.
So awful.
No. You are the victim here. She took advantage of your vulnerability. Did she see Dara?
No. When I realized what she had done, I asked her to leave the house. She left immediately, and I told her never to return again.
She will return sooner than expected.
Why did you say so?
I mean, she's a manipulator. She has seen that you've gotten attention from Mr. President. I must commend your waitress.
Her name is Ada. I made her for Dara when we became so lonely.
Why Ada?
Dara actually gave her the name Ada, a name after her mother, Adanaya.
That's so sweet of her.
Funny thing, huge coincidence. Your name is Adako. And Chukudera is Ada by position in Igbo land. And my ex-wife, my late wife, Ada. Put together, I think I'm under the spell of the others.
You're not serious.
And it's a sweet spell. Like in every bit of it.
Come on, baby.
Hey, what are you doing here?
That's welcome your family. Good afternoon.
Who brought you here?
I heard you found a lady you intend to marry, so I thought to come and tell you that we're expecting a baby.
How?
So, when you were busy pounding, you thought I was a stick, Abby? Test results.
I think I'll have a medical personnel come here and take a sample to rerun this result for confirmation because I don't trust any word from you.
No problem. Our result is finally here. So you could compare too. Are you now convinced?
Yes, you're pregnant.
Then start making preparation because I'm definitely not going to have an abortion. And this could help me bond with my niece as a mother. And I know this baby is going to be a boy. Hi, babe.
Hi, sweetheart.
How are you?
I'm fine. This drama will end today. I'm Jennifer. I guess he didn't tell you there was me before you.
Oh, yes, he did. His worst regret in life. And that's you. You can't go around manipulating people. Worst of it all, your late sister's husband. You don't do that.
I am pregnant for him.
And so?
And it's going to be a boy.
And so what? Are you the first desperate lady to get pregnant? What will you tell your child when he or she is born? What?
Hey ladies, give me a moment, please. Hey Ada. I want you to remind me when Jennifer came to the house and the dates which we took wine. I mean the red wine.
According to the surveillance feed, she arrived on the 20th of June and left on the 24th of June. Red wine was on the 23rd of June.
From 23rd of June till date, how many weeks would that be?
That would be 9 weeks and 6 days, 10 weeks by tomorrow.
Thank you, Ada. Jennifer, your result and my result says you're pregnant. But the truth of the matter is that both result confirms you're 13 weeks pregnant. According to Ada, my artificial intelligence, we met 9 weeks ago.
But
Yes, but we had sex. But then, you need to go back wherever you took a bath and pick up your panties. Definitely not here. All right, let me make a formal introduction. Right? Jennifer, this is Adako, my princess, my damsel, my soulmate, my sugar pie. You need to get used to seeing her face. All right? Come on, take your result.
Where are you going to come? Let's help you put it there. Come back.
Jennifer, you walking out on me?
Can you imagine?
People can be really funny.
Babe,
Do you know, for once, I almost had a cardiac arrest.
this AI is really incredible. Seriously.
Yeah.
This would have caused a serious problem, but this just solved this in a minute.
You could say that again. When I tell people to embrace the emergence of artificial intelligence, not for the negative, but positive things like this. Could you imagine such a record keeping that even humans have forgotten? Imagine having a baby with Jennifer. That would be the worst nightmare of my life.
Babe, thank God it's all over.
Like
now.
over and gone.
Over and gone.
Sweetheart, we need to celebrate.
Yes, baby.
We go pop champagne. Hey Adako, I've searched everywhere. You know, it's been a tussle. It's been something very difficult to figure out because my daughter has always been this family-oriented personality, which I think she got from our family system, you know. And I, as a person, I was so much in love with my dead wife. So, on that very day, when you turned up, when you showed up, it was a new wave. I was overwhelmed. The chemistry was electrifying, and I thought to myself and I said, could this be real? And to top it all, you actually liked Chidera, and you know, Chukudera is the most significant human being in my life right now, and anybody who loves her, you just wanted to take care of her, take on scholarship. That is a call to, man, I went bonkers, and my heart escaped many times just looking at your sparkles and your eyes and everything. Thank you for coming around. Thank you for listening to the voice of humanity.
You're welcome, baby. You know, I think in life, you have to find your true desire when you listen to the voice of humanity. I love you very much.
I love you too, my sweetheart. I love you with everything. You are one thing that I would always chase after every blessed day of my life. And for the fact that you saw Chukudera and wanted to help, you wanted to sponsor her, it thrills me, it tells me you are the perfect mother she's ever looked for, because your interest was just you saw a small child and saw the sparks in her eyes and you just wanted to make life better for her. What more could I have asked for?
It's okay, you don't have to say much.
No. You actually resurrect feelings that I thought I never had anymore. And every person that I think that I've loved you enough, the new day I find my heart expanding for you and making another room for you for love. What I feel for you is what could make angels be awake at night. Witness.
Babe, it's okay.
We'll travel the world together. Write your name on every sand of the beach you go to.
Yeah.
That the wave of the water will not be able to cleanse you. The birds of the air will whisper our name, for our love is destiny. I love you so much, with all my heart. So tell me about, when is your mom coming back?
I think next month, but I'm not really sure about that. You know how my mom can be sometimes. She's not.
Do me the pleasure of picking her from the airport. It's just
No problem.
Thank you for
She's your mom too.
giving
right?
that the beautiful scene. Like, I owe her an extra drink. You know, right?
Thank you, babe. Thank you for loving me.
Love you so much.
I love you.
Okay, so Piotr is asking, we heard that Elon Musk is making an artificial intelligence wife. Don't you scientists think that this will affect human beings and womanhood at large? Okay, let me make this disclaimer for and on behalf of Elon Musk. Elon loves women and loves humanity. In fact, a lot of articles out there in the space that said that he is one scientist that has humanity at heart. And I don't think Elon would do anything to jeopardize womanhood. Maybe futuristically, but now, nothing of sort. Elon is not making an artificial intelligence wife. No, that is not true. That is not happening. Then, if that happens in the future, then we know it's in the future. But in the now, it is not true. Do I think it will affect humanity and womanhood? Yes, it will affect humanhood. And that's the reason why we are certain and we are saying that we need to participate. You and I need to participate to be able to regulate. Because you cannot correct the thing from the corridor. No, you need to be part and parcel of it to be able to effect a change that will aid humanity. Remember, we created this artificial intelligence. If we allow it, it will outrun us by some individuals. But if we man it, we'll be able to correct some things. We'll be able to have regulatory bodies like regulatory bodies that will regulate the activities, the way nuclear heads are being regulated, that also destructive AI systems will be regulated. That is what we're working on, and that's why I'm having this clarion call for all Africans to come on board, because I think that this is an emerging world and we have been more consumptuous we have been more consuming than productive. I think we need to engage right now, participate, manufacture, use, write these algorithms, and be able to partake and also decide in this emerging world. I will take one more question because I think a lot of questions are popping up because of time, so that in my next lecture and in my next class, I'll be able to portray and answer all the questions. So this will be the last question for today. And this is from Miss Chloe from England. And she's saying, how is artificial intelligence worse than nukes, and how can we stop the impending danger in the future? All right, okay, I've said some part of it. Okay, let's go this way. There is no gainsaying that we have very horrible human beings on earth, and they are also part of tech, and who will use the advantages or the opportunity to write some very destructive codings, and which will empower artificial intelligence. Let me come in the physical realm of it, which is the robotics, like we've seen in movies like iRobot, which was starred by legendary Will Smith. Yeah, we saw what iRobot did to humanity, and I tell you, if these people lay hold on mass number of robots, within minutes, within days, humanity will be wiped out from Earth. Take it from me. But then, are we going to watch that happen? No. That is why I'm calling. This is the only way we can salvage that futuristically. In the future, if we do not participate, we'll be disadvantaged wholly as a people, as a nation, as a continent. That is what I'm calling. Let's come together. Let young people participate in this emerging world. If we participate, when they write a very destructive program that will empower these robotics to fight humanity, we will write a program that will override that program that they've written. That is the essence for us to be participants in this emerging world, not spectators. And I think today, I'll draw the line today. And keep it there with me. I'll publish on my social media handles for the next class. We're going to have the date and the time. And for all of you that are asking questions, I could reply some through your emails. If you drop your email, I could mail you. But then, these questions are a lot for me to handle right now. And I appreciate you for your time. And I hope to see you in the emerging world. I hope to see you decide. Please fill the Google form out there, which link is on my bio, and we'll take it up from there. I'd like to see you at the other side. Bye for now.